Hello, my name is Zaid Al Ajwadi. Today I will walk you through the process of buying cars online through auctions. There is a lot of auctions out there. One of my favorite is Copart. Copart is an online auction. Just type Copart and you'll find it. First step is to register and create an account. Put your driver license and everything and your information and create an account. Next step is to deposit $400. $400 will give you buying power up to $100,000. You could buy cars up to $100,000 and you bid on them. Next is to define your budget. What kind of budget do you have? Do you want to spend $7,000, $5,000, $2,000, $1,000? How much money you want to spend? Let's assume today, for example, you want to spend $10,000. Next is to define your car. What kind of car you want to buy? Is it a salon? Is it a sport car? Is it a truck, SUV? Define what kind of car so you will not get lost in thousands of cars here. A lot of interesting cars. Next is to find the car in the website here. So you have a lot of options. You can find the car through the location. Let's say Salt Lake. They have a lot of cars here, and it just you go through the lot, or you could find the car. See, like there's a lot of cars here. You can find the car through the auction. There's auctions happening tomorrow in Florida. So you click on them and you try to find your car. You go through these cars and you see, okay, this car I like. I usually use Find Car, and today let's assume that I want to randomly search for a classic car that will fit my budget, the $10,000. See, there's a lot of cars here, and then, okay, let's check this Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is beautiful cars, gorgeous. Next is to check the car, check the pictures, make calls, see what kind of problems in it. They are honest, this customer service, they will tell you what kind of problems in it, what kind of issues does it have. See, this car posted for $77,000 as a retail value. That's what's worth it right now today in the street. Next is to check the car. Okay, search the car outside this website. See how much is worth it. Is it worth $70,000? See, this car is worth $60,000 actually in eBay. So check the car. See what kind of problems the engine could have. What kind of issues the engine or the car could have. So check that out. See, okay, this car. After you checking this, next is to check the sell date. This date is very important. Pay close attention to this date. Put in your calendar. Wait for it, and because this date this is the day that this car will go online for every interested person that is want to buy this car. Next is to bid, and remember your budget. You have $10,000 as we assumed. This is your limitation. So this game could go out of control, and you want to remember your limits because a lot of people could bid higher than you to win this beautiful car that you really like. So make sure that you will not exceed your $10,000 for example limit. And when you reach that, and if someone want to buy it, okay, let it be. There's thousands of cars. It's all right. You will find your chance and you find your car next time. Okay, next, when you win the car that you liked, you could go pick it up, or there is an option of delivery. They will deliver to your home in a matter of 2 to 7 days. So yeah, that is how I buy cars, and sometimes I resell them and I made a lot of profit in it. For example, I had a car that is Jaguar 1976 I bought, a little bit newer than this car. I bought for $700 and I sold it for $6,000. So it is a lot of good profit, and definitely eliminate the middleman, is the dealer. Yeah, so thank you for listening. That is how I buy cars.